guys, we're back with another video. I just want to tell you guys, it's me and I'm his niece, my uncle, and I'm on his channel. Finally, I'm on here basically, but it's like, you know, I don't really be on YouTube, so I'm back on the game. We've been off YouTube for the past month, so we're sorry, you guys. We're gonna start posting again, get active with you guys, and make sure you guys don't unsubscribe us. We'll be right back. Yes, y'all gonna see me on the channel, and yes, you're gonna see everybody. We'll make sure we're gonna have a vlog for you guys. We're gonna vlog, we're gonna do pranks, we're gonna have everything. Make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube, and you know, comment down below, let me know what video you guys want to see, and yeah, may you guys have a great one. Like and subscribe. Love you.